What you will need for this craft are old socks and scissors. First, fold the heel of the sock towards the middle of the sock. Then, cut the middle of the sock right after the fold. Proceed to take away the top. Cut the top crease of the sock. Fold the cut piece of the sock towards the top. Cut halfway into the sock at the edge. Open the sock up.